welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everybody, welcome back. How are you all doing today? Hopefully fabulous. You might notice my new headband. I actually really like this one. I just got it. It's pretty because it's like a bunch of diamonds. It's a little different than my other ones, but I like it. Anyways, I'm excited for today's video because I get to do art, only my favorite thing in the entire world. And for the art, I'm going to be painting on some shoes. I've already painted at least 2 pairs of shoes, but I'm gonna be doing a whole lot more because, as you guys might know already, Vans, the company of shoes, sent me a whole bunch of their shoes for me to paint for my siblings and myself and a bunch of fun stuff like that. I am so excited. So first of all, thank you so much, Vans, for sending me all the shoes. They're amazing. I cannot wait to paint them all. This is where I've been keeping all the Vans in my studio, and as you can see, these are some that I've already painted for Owen. They are Marvel themed. I really do like these ones. But today, I have decided to do one that's a smaller size for Chloe. I'm so excited. These shoes are extremely tiny, and for painting that could be a good or a bad thing kind of, but the good thing is there's not, too much paint that I'm gonna be using. The bad thing is it has to look pretty good since I'm gonna be using small brushes in a small space, but I'm not too worried and I have an idea in mind. So let me show you guys what I'm thinking. So you probably have seen this in the background of a couple of my videos, but I have this super cute pillow on my bay window. I absolutely love this pillow because if you know me and my room, I love tropical stuff, especially like pinks and greens like this. I just absolutely love that pattern. And I was thinking, what if I did something super similar for Chloe's shoe? I just feel like that would make a really cute shoe design, especially for Vans. So I think I'm gonna do this, especially because the colors are cute too. In this video, I will be using 2 different types of paint, a bunch of different brands, I don't exactly know, but I'm gonna be using fabric paint as well as acrylic paint just so I can get kind of the colors I want, since for fabric paint, they didn't really have all the colors I wanted, so if I mix it with some of the acrylic ones I have, I'll be able to get the perfect colors. Also, of course, I'm gonna be using a pencil eraser to, draw on the shoe and sketch out the design, and then, paint brushes. I think that's it though. And oh wait, one more thing, an acrylic top coat, like a spray finisher thing. I kind of forgot what it's called, but you know what I mean. Well, I'm gonna go set up my desk right now and start painting the shoes.
Cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go. Tropical
I have my shoes out on the grass, and now I'm gonna give them a couple sprays of this. Just like the last time I painted shoes, I'm gonna set them here in the garage, and I have it a little bit open. That way it'll get some airflow, and then they'll be able to dry overnight. It's been 24 hours, and I think the shoes are about done. I am so happy with how these turned out. They look so cute, and they're so tiny. I actually really like the colors, and I love the leaves. I actually think these turned out very good, especially since I got my inspiration from this pillow, which is actually pretty crazy because look at that. I love it though. Time to go find Chloe so she can try them on. Hey Chloe, come here. Oh, she just woke up from her nap. She's a little tired still, but do you want to try on your new shoes, Chloe? Look. Do you want to try on your new shoes? Do you like them? Oh, she does want to try them on. Here, let me help you. Ready? How do you like your new shoes, Chloe? Wow! You look so fancy. Look at that. Are they cute? Oh, she likes them. I think they're so fancy. So cute. Oh. You like them? Yeah, me too. They're super cute. You're just gonna stand there and look pretty? Yeah? Chloe, show us how you jump. You jump? Wow, that was so good. She's getting distracted by all the cute stuff in my room.
Papa. Papa?
I think Chloe loves her new shoes and they look so cute. You want to try on some sunglasses? Ooh, so fancy. Look at you. Dang, Chloe. You look so fancy. So cool. Do you love glasses? Cool. She loves to try on my glasses. She always points up there and she says, glasses, or well, she calls them share. She says share, share, and I get down some glasses to share with her. Chloe, do you like the shoes I painted for you? You do? I'm glad you like them because I love them too. I wish they were my size because then I would totally wear them. I am super glad how these shoes turned out. I think they turned out absolutely adorable. I'm so glad they fit Chloe so good and she's able to wear them well. Look at her wearing her fancy glasses again. She's so proud. Anyways, make sure you guys give me ideas in the comments of what I should paint on my next pair of Vans because I have a lot more shoes to do. So they could be some like girly type ideas or even ones that are more on the boyish side because you know me, I have a ton of brothers and they're gonna get some shoes as well. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!